Hello, this is Ellen Madono at Tokyo Homeopathy. Today I have COVID, but I have a visitor also. So, welcome. Hi there, Wolfie. Thanks for coming to my office. Well, I don't mind. Been kind of busy though. Wolfie, I hear that your husband has COVID. Yeah. Are you using Polarity Analysis to take his case? Polarity Analysis? I tell you, it just doesn't work very well. Doesn't work. Oh, really? I thought you were using it. Well, what happens when you try to take the case for your husband? He doesn't give me any symptoms. He just says, I feel blah. There's nothing in the repertory that says blah. What am I supposed to do? You know, that isn't how you use this Polarity Analysis repertory. If you want to take symptoms that describe the cough or the sore throat or the fever, you need to use a different repertory. You just use the blah feeling. Okay, what makes you feel blah? And you don't have to ask in the abstract. You really look at the checklist. Here's the checklist. And go down these one at a time. Maybe the weather doesn't change at your house where he is while he's sick, but does he go into the shower? How does the shower feel? Is a hot shower, does it feel good, or does he feel worse? I go into the hot shower and I feel dizzy. I should feel good, but I feel dizzy. Well, that's not a good feeling, so that would be aggravated. How does he feel? Okay. Even your baby, you can bring into the shower and see if the baby quiets down when he's fussing. You don't have to take a shower with him, just bring him into the wetness. Then the same goes for all of these changes in temperature. Well, as a matter of fact, he's been putting that hot pad on his back. Well, that's a good sign that he wants warm. You know which one covers that? It's these warm application. Application isn't a common word in English, but here you're partially getting warm. Partially. He's putting, it's the equivalent of putting on some clothes. Or if he partially cools the body, that aggravates. It's very easy to tell in a temperature if they're putting an ice pack on their head that makes them feel better. They won't want an ice pack if they don't like an ice pack for the fever. Oh, you mean there's those differences? I thought that I had to find blah in the repertory. No, Wolfie, you're not going to find blah. There's no way you're going to find blah. You have to go down these questions and ask them one at a time. I don't ask all of them. I kind of summarize the ones that are most similar. Dr. Fry wants you to ask these ones in yellow specifically. And I kind of do that, but you know if they don't want the windows open, and you don't have to ask them if it's someone living in your house. Oh, that's true. That makes it easier, doesn't it? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so you just go down here and look them all up. Oh, okay, thanks, Ellen. I'll try that. Okay, I'll talk to you tomorrow and see how you're doing with the case, because it's very important that you start doing real cases and not just guessing, looking in a flu book and giving the flu remedy. That's not a very good way to do it. Okay, Ellen, I'll try that. Okay. Okay, thanks a lot, Wolfie, for being open-minded. I know it hasn't been easy for you to do this. Thanks. Bye-bye.